Welcome to the Half-Hour English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look at a day in the life of a restaurant server. In this video, you will spend one full day with Ellie, a kind girl who works at a busy neighborhood restaurant. From the morning preparations to closing the restaurant at night, you will learn about her daily routine through simple and slow English. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Listen carefully and see if you can find the answer in the story. So, here is the question. What is Ellie's favorite part of her job? The answer is mentioned in the story. If you find it, please write it in the comments. By writing down your answers in English, you can improve your English more effectively. Are you ready? Let's spend a day at the restaurant together. Okay, let's begin.
Good morning. It is a beautiful, quiet morning. The sun is just starting to wake up the city. I am standing in front of the restaurant, waiting to start my day. My name is Ellie. I work at this cozy restaurant in the city. I like to be here early. It is peaceful before the busy day begins. I put my key in the lock. There, I open the door. Welcome to my workplace. The air inside is cool and still. I can smell the fresh coffee beans and the light scent of bread from the kitchen. Do you like the smell of a cafe or a restaurant in the morning? I think it is the best smell in the world. It always makes me feel ready for anything. I walk to the back to put on my apron. I tie it carefully. My heart feels light today. I pick up a soft, clean cloth. Let me wipe the tables. 1, 2, 3. I want them to be perfect for you. Everything is clean now. The chairs are in their spots. The tables are shining. I go to the front counter to check the menu board. Sometimes I change the daily special on the board. Let's see. Today, we have fresh tomato soup and a warm ham sandwich. Does that sound delicious to you? I hope our customers like it today. Next, I check the cutlery. I put the forks, knives, and spoons in the wooden boxes. I like that sound. It is a very organized, happy sound. Everything must be in the right place. It makes me feel calm. Are you a person who likes things to be organized? I think it makes the day run much smoother. Now, I take a deep breath. The restaurant is quiet, but it won't be for long. I look at myself in the big glass window. My uniform is tidy. My hair is neat. I am ready to smile and welcome everyone. The clock says 8 a.m. It is time. I reach for the sign on the door. It says closed. I flip it around. There, now it says open. Let's have a wonderful day. I stand near the entrance and look outside. The morning sunlight is streaming through the windows, making the dust motes dance in the air. The street is becoming busy now. People are walking fast to their offices. Do you ever wonder where all those people are going? I love watching them. It makes me feel like I am part of this big, Busy world. Oh, wait, listen. Can you hear that? The doorbell rings. Someone is pushing the door. I put on my best smile, the one I practiced in the mirror, and turn to the door. Good morning. Welcome to our restaurant. How are you today? A man walks in. He is one of our regular customers, Mr. Smith. He is a tall man with a friendly face. He always visits at 8 a.m. He looks a little sleepy, but he smiles when he sees me. I already know what he likes. He likes a strong black coffee and a warm, buttery croissant. Good morning, Ellie, he says. The usual, please. It feels so nice to know what he wants. It makes our connection feel special, doesn't it? It is like a small secret between friends. I nod and head to the counter. I start the coffee machine. The machine starts to hum, a deep, steady sound. I can smell the fresh coffee beans. It is a rich, warm, and dark scent. I love this moment. Do you like the smell of fresh coffee in the morning? It is the best way to wake up, right? As I pour the coffee, I feel ready. This is the start of a busy day. And I am exactly where I want to be. It is 12:30 p.m. now. And the quiet atmosphere of the morning has completely vanished. The lunch rush is here. The front door is never still. It seems like everyone in the city decided to come here at the same time. I hear a mix of voices, laughter, and the clatter of silverware. It is loud, but it is a happy noise. Can I get a table for two? Excuse me, is this seat free? I am in a hurry, please. I move quickly from table to table, almost like I am dancing. I have my notebook in my left hand and a pen in my right, writing down every order. Do you ever feel like you are in a rhythm when you are busy? I feel like my body just knows what to do. I carry heavy plates of steaming food. Careful, Ellie, I tell myself. I weave through the tables, making sure not to bump into anyone. My feet start to ache a little, but I don't mind. Seeing the dining room full of life makes me feel so happy. Some people say that being busy is stressful, but I think it is amazing. It makes the time fly. How about you? Do you prefer a quiet day or a busy, exciting one? I think I like both. But there is something special about this lunch dance. Even when the kitchen is shouting out new orders, I try to stay calm. My goal is to be accurate and kind. 2 salads, 1 pasta, and a glass of iced tea. I repeat in my head. I check every order twice, just to be sure. Working under pressure really teaches me how to focus. When things get crazy, I just take a deep breath and do one thing at a time. Do you have any tricks for staying calm when you are stressed? Maybe a deep breath or a short walk helps you too. Suddenly, I see her. A little girl at table 4. She is holding a burger. And she looks at me with big, bright eyes. She gives me a huge, genuine smile. It is so sweet. I stop for just a second and smile back. I am glad you like your meal, I say softly. That simple moment changes everything. My tired feet feel lighter. and my heart feels full. That smile is the best reward for my hard work today. I continue to work, feeling even more motivated than before. Being a server is not just about bringing food. It is about bringing a little happiness to people's day. The restaurant is finally quiet again. The busy lunch rush is over. I am wiping the tables near the window when I see him. An elderly man is sitting at a corner table. He is holding the menu, but he is just looking out the window. He looks very thoughtful. Sometimes, I see customers who seem to have a story to tell. I walk over to his table. Good afternoon. Are you ready to order? Or would you like a few more minutes? I ask with a smile. He looks at me and smiles sadly. Oh, hello. Today is my wife's birthday. We used to come here every year for our anniversary. But today, I am alone. I feel for him. It is a quiet, sad moment. I am so sorry, I say. Since it is a special day, would you like to try our chocolate cake? It is our favorite dessert, and it always makes people smile. He nods slowly. That sounds lovely. Thank you. I go to the kitchen. When I bring the cake out, I put a small, fresh flower from our vase on the plate. It is a small thing, but I want it to look special for him. He takes a bite, and for a moment, he looks much happier. By the way, do you have a favorite dessert? Does eating something sweet make you feel better? When you are tired? For me, even a small piece of cake can turn a bad day into a good one. Seeing him smile at the flower makes me feel that my job is really worthwhile. It is not just about serving food. It is about taking care of people. Finally, it is my break time. I am a little tired, but it is a good kind of tired. I go to my favorite spot by the window. I sit down and let out a long breath. I have a small sandwich. Just simple bread and cheese. And a hot cup of tea. Do you ever take a break like this? I think taking a short break is the most important part of the day. It gives me time to just sit and look outside. The street is much quieter now. I watch the people walking by. Some are walking slowly, enjoying the afternoon sun. Others are still in a hurry. I wonder where they are going. What are they thinking about? Are they having a good day? During my break, I also like to think about my own life. I am a student, and I have a lot of dreams. I want to learn more about cooking, and maybe someday, I will open my own small cafe. Thinking about the future makes me feel happy. It is good to have goals, right? The sunlight feels warm on my face. The restaurant is very calm now. I feel peaceful. This quiet time helps me get ready for the last few hours of work. Break time is almost over. I take one last sip of my tea. Are you ready to finish your day strong, too? Let's get back to work. The sun is setting now, and the sky is a beautiful soft orange. It is almost closing time. The last few customers have left, and the restaurant feels very still. It is time to close up. I start by turning off the large coffee machine. It makes a soft clicking sound. I pick up my cloth and wipe the tables one more time. I organize the chairs. putting them neatly in place. Everything needs to be ready for tomorrow morning. I walk to the door and flip the sign back to closed. I look out at the street one last time. The city lights are turning on, one by one. It is a lovely sight. I feel a bit tired, but it is a happy kind of tired. I did a good job today. I think about the man with the chocolate cake and the little girl's smile. These moments are why I love this job. This is my favorite part of being a server. Making people feel happy, even for just a little while. I turn off the lights. The restaurant is dark, warm, and safe. I lock the door and start my walk home. Today was a very good day. I hope you enjoyed spending this day with me at the restaurant.
How does it feel? I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me. Now, let me ask the question again. What is Ellie's favorite part of her job? Did you find the answer? Please share it with us in English. If you did, please share your answer with us in the comments section. Through this kind of English output practice, you can improve your English skills more effectively. I will continue to upload videos like this. So, if you like it, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like and leave a comment. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for spending the day with me at the restaurant. See you in the next video. Bye.